In this video, I'll show you how to add a chat button to your Shopify homepage that opens your quiz in a pop-up. First, make sure the quiz you want to publish is set as the default quiz. In the app, click the three dots, select Make Default Quiz, and confirm. You'll see a badge showing it's now the default. Next, go to Online Store, Themes in Shopify, and click Customize. On your homepage, click Add section, go to Apps, and select Chat Button Quiz by RevenueHunt. This will add a chat-style button to your homepage. When clicked, it opens the quiz in a full-width pop-up. In the Chat Button Quiz settings, you'll find several customization options. You can change the button color by picking from the color selector or entering a hex code. Adjust the icon color that appears on the button. Move the button's position, bottom right or bottom left of the page. Choose whether to hide the chat button after someone completes the quiz or leave it visible for retakes. Show or hide a notification dot, a small red indicator that appears for new visitors who haven't taken the quiz. Add a greeting message next to the button, such as, "Hello, take the quiz." You can also customize the pop-up itself. By default, it opens full screen, but you can change the width and height to, for example, 90%. If another element like a chat widget overlaps the quiz, increase the Z-index to bring the quiz pop-up to the front. Finally, you can display a different quiz instead of the default by pasting its quiz ID into the settings. To do this, copy the ID from the app, return to the theme editor, and paste it into the chat button quiz settings. That quiz will now appear when the button is clicked. If you remove the ID, the default quiz will load again. Once you're happy with your setup, save the changes and preview your website to see how the chat button looks and functions live. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.